then I thought I'll build a garden. It's a little pocket park garden in a very urban dense neighborhood. And for some reason, it starts to take off. And people start to say, well, have you been to the secret garden in the neighborhood? I also started to notice that at 3:15 in the afternoon is when all the schools get out in my neighborhood. And I knew it. I didn't have to have a watch on. I could hear children screaming out there. And they would be playing hide and seek and running up and down the pathways and running through the garden. It doesn't matter to me. It's designed to take that kind of abuse, or let's just say use, of a child. And they would have so much fun playing in the fountains and water. And so started to see that the community acceptance of this was coming, and it became a gathering place.